I see your challenge, Mark Herring, and I raise you.
Here's my executive chair. It's quite comfortable actually. Here's my setup. Love 2 screens, probably could even go 3. Nice view of the neighbours. But I got something else for you. This, ladies and gentlemen, will be my new office. My handy husband is building me a new room. Our family expanded, we were running out of room. So here we are, building a new room. That's gonna be my fancy nook. I'm thinking maybe a sofa there, lounge table. My desk is gonna go there with a beautiful hedge view. Outside to my puppy. Hey, Dusty boy. Can't wait.